This is the Bosch CM10GD Dual-Bevel Glide Miter Saw. This saw combines evolutionary performance with revolutionary design. Remodelers, trim carpenters, and woodworkers will appreciate the unbelievable engineering that went into this space-saving design. This patented axial glide system provides consistent precision over the life of the tool while saving you up to 10 inches of workspace. Notice how there are no rails? With this design, you can push this right up against the wall. The glide action also allows for unmatched smoothness of cut. With 12-inch nominal horizontal capacity, 5-inch vertical capacity, and 6-inch crown capacity against the fence, you get an expanded cutting capacity on this 10-inch saw. Upfront bevel controls mean no more reaching to the back of the tool. Make adjustments quickly and easily. The integrated crown chop lock lets you lock the head in place for maximum chop cutting capacity for upright base molding and nested crown. Easily set up the bevel with the tall 4 1/4 inch fences for increased crown molding capacity. So this is it, the Bosch CM10GD 10-inch dual bevel glide miter saw. You really have to try this thing to believe how smooth it is. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch miter saws.
Introducing a mightier miter saw by SKILSAW. The 12-inch worm drive dual bevel sliding miter saw. Featuring SKILSAW's legendary worm drive gearing. And powered by a 15-amp dual field motor that stays cool on the job. Streamlined with the motor balanced at the top and built with magnesium motor housing, it's the lightest of its class, so it's easy to transport and set up. The convenient miter scale with preset detents ensures precise miter settings and make both left and right cuts simple and repeatable. LED shadow light casts a shadow, aligning the cut line for true cuts every time. 14-inch cross-cut capacity lets you handle any cut on the job site, up to 4 by thickness. When the job calls for longer materials, the built-in table extensions ensure the workpiece is flat. And the vacuum port helps to keep a clean work site. Cutting crown molding nested is quick and easy with the crown stops. You can also cut crown molding in the flat with the adjustable positive stops to ensure a precise bevel angle. And the locking blade depth stop makes cutting dado and lap joints quick and easy. Feel the might with SKILSAW. The SKILSAW 12-inch worm drive dual bevel sliding miter saw. Stay true.
When you need more precision, power, and control, pick up the Shopmaster 10-inch miter saw. It's equipped with a battery-operated laser that aligns your blade to your workpiece to make your miter and bevel cuts more convenient and precise. An electronic brake stops the blade within seconds of releasing the switch. Its lightweight portable design makes it easy to move from stationary workspaces to stand, giving you the power to do your best work anywhere. So when you're ready to put a better brand of quality in your hands, reach for Shopmaster.
Keep your cuts precise with the CRAFTSMAN V20 20V Max 7 1/4 inch sliding miter saw kit. This saw's sliding rails allow for 8-inch max cross cuts, as well as nested crown molding cuts and vertical baseboard cuts. The miter allows for single bevel cuts and an LED cut line for added precision. The powerful V20 20V Max lithium-ion battery with an LED state of charge indicator allows for over 500 cuts on one charge. And the side handles make the lightweight saw easy to carry. Get the job done right with the V20 20V Max 7 1/4 inch sliding miter saw kit, part of the CRAFTSMAN V20 system. CRAFTSMAN, we build pride.
Makita miter saws have engineering superiority over other miter saws. And here's the latest addition to the Makita lineup, the 8.5-inch slide compound miter saw. This miter saw is more compact. It weighs only 31 pounds, so it's ideal for easy transport from job site to job site. But you also get dead-on accuracy, cut after cut. The linear ball bearing system is engineered to deliver smooth, dead-on, accurate cuts. It has 12-inch cross-cutting capacity with 8.5-inch capacity and a 45-degree miter. The saw miters from 0 to 50 degrees to the left and 0 to 60 to the right. The ergonomic rubberized handle design with large trigger has better fit for added comfort. For improved visibility, the LED light illuminates the line of cut. The LS0815F is ideal for wood floor installation, case and base, crown molding, finish carpentry, cabinet and furniture making, general construction, and more.
what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off.